Hey guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. This was a kind of a requested video, and I keep it separate from the vlog style video. Was how and what am I using to camp on the ice? So I'm using the Fat Fish by Eskimo 949 IG, and I'm gonna take you on a whole tour. So I got a stake down with the normal stake down kit, and I'll leave every link for everything that I bought, whether it's on Amazon or not on Amazon. I'll find it. Propane tank and the Mr. Buddy hose. So that's all strapped down. It is a mess in here, so I'm just gonna warn you ahead of time because I've been in and out all day. So, and I will make a couple suggestions for myself after. I do need the foam pads. I know that the floor is a mess. I did drill a sump hole here to collect water in, but the problem is even with it's not really a heat issue. It's the weight on the ice is pushing down the ice, which pushes up the water. But anyways, Hog Outdoor LED lights. Hope you guys can see that. This comes with a dimmer. And then I have everything powered off of a Alpha, basically my deep cycle trolling motor battery. Another very important thing is a carbon monoxide detector because you're running propane in here and running heater. This is a kitty one. I'll leave the description for that below. Also, I have an inverter to charge my phone and charge my laptop. That's a battery tender. Mr. Buddy heater, I keep that on a bucket. Keep that on a bucket at all times. Run the hose and the filter. To cook with, I run a little Coleman cooktop right there as well. I have the AquaView. I always bring a plastic tote with me just to keep everything like high and dry, camera gear wise. And then the sleeping quarters, I like to keep my head away from the door. And I have a Coleman cot, which I'll leave the link for that below. An Alps Mountaineering foam pad that I sleep on, and a 0-degree Kelty sleeping bag. So the cot is key to keep yourself off of the ice. And then the pad is 1 for comfort, and then 2 to keep you away from the cold underneath. So that's pretty much it for what's inside the shack. Now I will be making 2 adjustments. I will be buying the foam pads to cover probably the whole thing. I'll probably bring like half of them for like a 1-night overnight trip. This is a 2-night overnight trip, and it's 6 inches of ice. So my weight is pushing down the ice, which pushes up the water. Basically, that's how that works. I am going to buy a DC or 12-volt fan to hang from the ceiling. One for ambient noise, white noise basically, so I can sleep. Because people were setting off fireworks and stuff last night. And I like to sleep with the fan on and push the heat down from the ceiling. That's one. And then, like I said, like the foam pads. And I'll leave the link for those below. I meant to buy them on the way up for this trip, and I just did not. So thank you guys very much for watching. Hopefully that's the whole tour. And I always bring like water jugs, all my sonar of the Snow Dog, an extra basically hub just so I can bounce around the lake. And that's the grand tour. And this will be the longest I've stayed on the ice. And let me know if you guys have any questions, and I will try to answer them or send you guys links, whatever you guys need to do, because I'm figuring this out by myself, and seems to be working so far. Thanks for watching.